Hey folks, just nice to be out amongst the big old trees. Yeah. Big old bad boy. Well, let's see what today holds in store for us. We're working our way back to Crooked Creek. Parks are shutting down now. The gates are closed. I mean, you can still come in the park, but you can't drive in and park anymore. Well, they're doing some work somewhere. Big tractor. Building a new trail. Alright. I guess that's considered essential service, trail building. Alright, Dub Spader out. Catch you on the next. Hey folks. The first find of the day looks like a weedy. Here comes the big tractor. They're working on the trails. I guess trail building is considered essential service. 1941. Here he comes. Alright. On board with a weedy. First coin of the day, second hole of the day. And there goes the big tractor. Trail building with rocks. Essential service. Alright. Dub Spader and the big tractor. Catch you on the next, folks. See ya. Hey folks. Just got our first KG 6-penny of the day. It looks like a 43. Alright. Catch you on the next. Dub Spader out. Okay folks. Back at the scene. And it looks like I may have popped out something that looks silvery. Modern. Alright, Dub Spader out. That's why I gave a fire signal. Hey folks, haven't got much since the George penny. A couple of young Lizzes. Didn't bother filming them, but it looks like I may have gotten a busted ring. Yeah, that's a busted silver ring. Oh yeah, that's definitely silver. Definitely silver. Looks old. Looks old. Unless it was, kind of looks like maybe it was made to be open like that. Yeah, it kind of does. I think it was. That's definitely silver. Looks fairly old. Oh yeah, that's silver. Sweet. Alright. Cool. Little ring. Alright, Dub Spader out. We got a piece of silver. Catch you on the next. Hey folks. Looks like I got a George penny again. The last year of the George, 1952. Alright, sweet. Got a few coins. No silver coins, but I got the silver ring. So we're on silver board anyway. Alright, Dub Spader out. With Dwayne. And Sebastian's going to join us. Catch you later. Hey folks. Oops, sorry. Just got a wheat cent. Looks like a 40 something, 45. Alright. Cool. Catch you on the next. Dub Spader and Dwayne. Okay folks. Got a few wheats, a George, got the silver ring, and it looks like I may have just got my first silver coin of the day. It's a George. It's a George. Oh man, it's a George. It's kind of worn. Looks like a 41. It's hard for me to gauge this with the sun. I hope it's giving you guys an okay view of it. Let's try it like that. There he is. There's Georgie boy. Let's go to this side. Alright, we're on the silver board with a coin and the silver ring. Alright, catch you on the next. Dub Spader and Dwayne. Hey folks, check this out. I hope you can see in there. I I had to leave that. That looks like an old pocket knife. I scraped it with the shovel, so it... Oh, it's coming apart. You got a silver dime? What year? Well, that's not silver then. 73 is not silver. We got to be in the 60s. Yeah. Oh, it's in rough shape. There it is. Oh, that's cool. An old pocket knife. Look at that. It's in rough shape. I scraped that side clean with the shovel. She was down in there. See, there's something up front here. What are you detecting over there? Alright, well, we'll get back to you if it's anything else. Got Spader with the little pocket knife. Wow, cool. Catch you on the next, folks. Hey folks, looks like I just got like the old neckerchief tie again. Oh, she's still in the roots. Nothing on this one. The other ones had the beaver on them. But that's still cool. Getting a little Boy Scout collection. Alright. Depth Spader and the boys. Catch you on the next. Hey folks, just got another weedy. Another weed. It looks like 40 something. Alright. Depth Spader and the boys. Catch you on the next. Okay, well, Sebastian's got a silver.
What year is it?
It looks like a 52.
52?
Yeah.
I was gonna say 57 I'm seeing, but
No.
it couldn't be, so
No.
52 is good.
Alright, sweet
Nice.
buddy.
Thanks.
Okay folks, there's the man Sebastian, there's the Wayne, and I just got a silver quarter that I know I scratched the heck out of. It looks like a 52. Yep, oh actually I didn't scratch it too. It's a 52 George. Sweet.
And I just got
Sweet, sweet.
more than 20.
Second silver coin, and got the silver ring as well. Alright, cool. Having a good day again. Catch you on the next, folks. Okay, folks, looks like I got silver. Silver number 3 on the day. George.
Well, we already know it's a George. You're telling me it's a George?
Yep,
Time?
yep.
Yeah, here around here probably smaller coil is better.
Alright, sweet.
That's worn.
Mm-hmm.
What year is it? 41 probably. Looks like 1 or 7.
Alright, cool.
Alright,
congrats. And here's Sebastian up on the hill there, screaming quarter. If you can see him up there by the tree, he must be filming right now. Alright, we're carrying on. That sounds like he's got 2 quarters and 2 dimes today. Good day. Hey folks, just doing a wrap up. Dwayne's still over there doing a little detecting. We're going to do Sebastian's finds first. Got some old pennies, some Wheaties.
Hello folks.
Huh?
Hello folks.
Hello folks.
Old folks, young folks.
Yeah, he's got some Elizabeths and some Wheaties and some Georges.
Yeah, KG5, there's KG5.
Oh, there's a KG5 in there.
1933.
Sweet,
There's few
sweet.
Wheaties, I didn't get the years.
You got a
of
big
Wheaties.
marble, which
I
is
think
nice.
One was 44.
Great big marble. You got 3 silvers today. A 43 quarter, or is that a 45? 43?
43 quarter, 1960 dime, and 1952 dime.
Sweet, sweet, sweet. Had a good day. Then we'll go over to my junk. We got a whole mess of pennies. Whole mess of pennies. There's some young Elizabeths in there, as you can see right there. There's a bunch of her actually. And some memorials. And we got this.
I did get a memorial too.
We got this American coin spill. They're not old, but they sounded great. We got an old pocket knife. You see me dig that. That's kind of cool. We got this old neckerchief tie from the Boy Scouts. Some kind of, whatever that says, love or loy. I don't know what that says. Junk.
Love.
And
I think it's just the way the V is shaped.
we got 4 Wheaties today. A couple of George pennies. 2 George quarters. 2 George dimes. Sorry, the battery died. 2 George dimes and a George quarter today. Sweet, 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 sweet. Oh yeah, and a silver ring. Almost forgot, it looks old. Looks like an oldie. Sort of looks like a 50s, 40s style sort of thing. Which most of the stuff out of here is coming from the 40s, it seems. Alright, so we got the 3 silver coins and the silver ring. Don't forget to let... Hey. Back into the woods, boys. Heading back to the vehicles. The old site where I found a 50-cent piece up there. Whew. All right. Well, they're working across the other side where we were earlier. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Yeah. Beauty day. Well, between the two of us, we got 5 more silver coins and a silver ring out of the Crooked Creek today. That's a pretty good day still. Pretty good day still. Oops. Dep Spader missed his turn, folks. This way. Oops. It's alright, we're all good though. Okay, catch you on the next. Oops.